How to sign up Woodforest National Banking online account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up Woodforest National Banking online account. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, you will need to now go to the Woodforest online banking enrollment page. Or you may also go to the official website of Woodforest, which is woodforest.com. Enter the URL in the search bar and then press on enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while you will be taken to the official website of Woodforest National Bank. Once you reach to this website, here you will be able to see enroll option at the left side in this section. Once you find this enroll link, which is next to the login button, simply click on it and then you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, again you will need to click on this enroll now button. Simply click on it. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to verify your identity. Select your identification type such as your social security number, driving license or password. Simply click on the selected type option and then choose one of these options based on your preference. Once you select one of these options, now you will need to enter the corresponding identification number. Once after entering, verify yourself by providing your Woodforest account or debit card number or a welcome token. Once after selecting one of these options, you will need to enter your account number or the token in this field. If you are selecting account or debit card number, then you will need to enter your account number or your debit card number in this field. And if you have selected welcome token option, then you will need to enter the code or the token that you have received via email. Enter it in this field and then click on this continue button right here. Soon after doing that, you will be taken to the next step, where you will need to read and accept the online banking service agreements and terms. After that, you will need to choose whether to enroll optional services such as e-statements, where you may be asked to verify you can view PDF documents by entering a code which will be provided in the sample PDF. Once after doing that, you will need to set up your user profile. There, you will need to create your username, password, and then provide your email address. After doing that, set up your security profile. Select and answer 3 security questions for additional account protection. And once after doing that, submit your information and then you will have access to your Woodforest online banking account. You can manage your account using the Woodforest mobile banking application, which will be available on both iOS and Android for convenient access. So by following these steps, you should be able to create or sign up for Woodforest National Online Banking account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.